Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you really quick how to find out who's been tracking you on Facebook. And trust me, it's not just your friends and it's not people that you've engaged with only. So let me copy the link from below. So just copy the link from below. Go copy, come back up here into Google, and make sure that you're signed into your Facebook page so that you're on your main page, and then do Control-V and hit enter. And then once it loads, you're going to see a bunch of code like this. Then do Control-F, or you can come up here and you can go to the three dots and then hit find, and that'll bring up the same thing. The next thing you're going to do is copy the available list initial data information here, and then we're going to paste it right here in the find box. And then you're going to see this load here. So you can take the first one if you want, but you can also go through every single one of them to find out who has been at your page. But what you're going to do now, after you copy those numbers, you don't need the quotations, just the numbers. Go to the plus and then start typing in www.facebook.com/ and then I'm going to take this out and I'm going to go Control-V and I'm going to hit enter, and this person has come up and I don't know this person. But that's it, my friends. So if you need any help or you get some errors, just close out of your Facebook, go back in, or close out of the browser, maybe even reboot your computer and go back in, and you should be able to do this. If you have any trouble or need to ask any questions, give me a comment below. All right, please consider liking and subscribing because it really helps the channel. All right, thank you.